Are electric vehicles, EC, truly more environmentally friendly and green? They are even claimed to have zero emissions, making them an excellent way to combat climate change. Are they worth it though? Do they really pose no threat to the environment? With automakers like General Motors and Volvo pledging to develop all-electric lines, electric vehicles are being marketed as the mode of transportation of the future. Are they really as green as we believe though? Even while EVs are more environmentally friendly than gas-powered vehicles, their production and charging still raise some issues. We'll dissect these problems and examine what must be done in this video. Now let's watch the video. Since electric automobiles don't burn fuel, they emit no CO2 while in motion, making them often regarded as environmentally beneficial. But are they really green because of this? An important factor is the energy required to charge electric vehicles. The pollution is just being transferred to another location, such as a power plant, if the electricity is generated using fossil fuels. We'll dissect how the power source influences the total environmental impact of electric vehicles in this video. The impact is significantly less if they're powered by renewable energy. When discussing electric vehicles, we frequently highlight the fact that they produce no emissions when in motion. However, how environmentally friendly is the production process? Because electric automobiles need huge batteries, their production produces more carbon emissions than those of conventional cars. The scarce elements used to make these batteries, such as nickel, cobalt, and lithium, must be mined, which frequently results in pollution. Studies indicate that the long-term advantages of electric automobiles exceed the short-term effects, even with these environmental costs. After only a few months of use, electric cars that are charged with sustainable energy become significantly more environmentally friendly. However, after the batteries are no longer functional, what happens to them? One of the major concerns with electric car batteries is what happens to them when their useful lives are over. Lithium-ion batteries are more difficult to recycle than the lead-acid batteries seen in traditional automobiles. Actually, only a small portion of lithium from old batteries was being recovered until recently. This is because it wasn't profitable or effective enough to recycle them. However, things are evolving. The need for improved recycling procedures rises in tandem with the growth in sales of electric vehicles. Because of this, recycling these batteries can be more environmentally friendly. Reusing existing batteries for energy storage is another innovative way to help store energy from renewable sources like solar or wind. Therefore, there is hope for a greener future, even though recycling lithium-ion batteries is currently difficult. So, are electric vehicles truly emission-free and environmentally friendly? The answer is more complicated than we may believe. Even though electric automobiles don't release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, they nonetheless have an effect on the environment. Their batteries are produced using a lot of energy and causing pollution because rare earth metals must be mined. Additionally, the pollutants are simply transferred from the vehicle's tailpipe to a power plant located far away if the electricity required to charge these vehicles is generated by burning fossil fuels. It's crucial to remember, though, that electric vehicles are typically more environmentally benign than conventional fossil fuel vehicles, particularly if they're powered by clean, renewable energy sources like wind or solar. By offering incentives to owners of electric cars and making investments in renewable energy sources, many nations are promoting greener choices. Already, nations like Norway and Costa Rica are moving in the right direction, increasing the accessibility and sustainability of electric vehicles. However, are electric vehicles the best way to address our ecological crisis? They are a step in the right direction, but we must consider more options than simply changing cars. The long-term solution to lowering our carbon footprint may lie in car sharing and public transport.